Well, hello again from Tillsonburg Cars. It's Brian here again. We're just about to start on our next project. That one being this 67 Chevelle behind me here. It's currently a small block 350 with a power glide, but it is original Chevelle with bucket seats, automatic. We're going to decide what we're going to do with this car. We've got a couple options. We might do a big block 4-speed, it might be an original restoration, or it might be a resto mod. We haven't really decided yet, but what we're going to do now is we're going to get into the car, take it apart, bag all the parts, take the good parts out, make a list of things that we need for it, and then decide on which direction we're going to go with the car. So it's going to be interesting, so we'll take you along for the ride. Again, 67 Chevelle. We'll see what we can do with this, okay? We'll keep you posted. Thanks.